everyone. Welcome to It's Shopping Time with Sofía and Ismael on Easy Way to Learn English, where learning English is easy, fun, and part of real life.
Hi, everyone. Today we're talking about going to the supermarket. For us, going shopping is not only necessary, it's also kind of therapeutic.
Yes, walking through the supermarket, making a list, choosing food, it really helps you relax.
Exactly. After a long week, going to the supermarket makes me feel calm. Now, let's talk about what we put on the shopping list.
At the top of the list, we always write the milk, the bread, the eggs, and the rice, because those are things we buy every week.
We also add the chicken and the pasta. Those are very common meals at home.
When something is not specific, we use a or an. For example, I usually say, let's buy a cake for the weekend.
And I say, I want an apple or an orange for my lunch.
Now, when we talk about quantities that are not exact, we use some. I like to add some bananas, some tomatoes, and some yogurt to the list.
I add some juice, some cereal, and some snacks.
One of the sections we visit the most is the fruit and vegetable section.
Yes, we spend a lot of time there. We always look for some fresh fruits and some healthy vegetables.
That section makes me feel good. Healthy food is important.
Another section I really like is the snack aisle.
Of course you do.
I always look for a chocolate bar or some cookies.
I don't like buying any junk food too often.
But I do. Not every day, but sometimes.
That's okay. Balance is important.
Now let's talk about healthy and not so healthy food.
Healthy food includes the fruits, the vegetables, and the water we drink every day.
Not so healthy food includes soda, candy, and fried snacks.
I don't buy any soda. I prefer water.
I ask, do we have any soda at home?
And the answer is always no.
Okay, then let's buy some water.
Another section we visit a lot is the dairy section.
Yes, we always check if we have any cheese or any butter at home.
If we don't have any, we buy some.
I also like the frozen food section.
I don't like it very much. I don't buy any frozen vegetables.
But I like some frozen pizza.
Only sometimes.
Going to the supermarket is therapeutic because we take our time, think about our food, and make better choices.
And it's a great way to practice English, too.
So remember, we use the for specific things, a and an for non-specific things, some for affirmative sentences, and any for questions and negative sentences.
Learning English can be easy and relaxing.
Just like going to the supermarket.
Thank you for listening to us.
See you in the next episode of It's Shopping Time with Sofía and Ismael on Easy Way to Learn English.